What's up guys, it's Lonely Traveler here. Today I'll be traveling to Carlington, which is about 15 minutes east of Ajax. I'll be taking a lot of videos through my DJI drone Mini 3 Pro, and obviously I'll be trying to get a good shot for my YouTube video. Durham is a beautiful region, and no wonder why a lot of people are settling here. Not too long ago I picked up a DSLR camera and I wondered what it's capable of doing. After playing around with it, I realized that the answer is not too simple. Before I begin my journey, I make sure to carry a battery boost and an air compressor.